Hey guys, and welcome back to the cardboard. As you can guess, yep, we are doing another repair video. So, I have blindsided you guys, and I got an HTC VIVE. Awesome, right? Well, not really, because one of the base stations are dead. And it's this bad boy right here. This magnificent piece of technology has like 2 lasers in it. Button. And get this, one of the lasers is dead. So, let me show you guys first. As you can see, or hardly see, it used to be in this position, but it's in that position. This laser is dead. So, what I've done to replace the dead laser is buy another dead one. Always cut away from yourself, kids. Don't want to cut towards yourself. All right. Oh, apparently it looks like the seller included it with the original box, which is awesome. So here it is. The broken base station. You guys, I crashed the camera app. Anyway, let's open her up. Oh, camera app, why do you keep crashing? Wait, anyway, all right, let's power on this base station and see if it has the same laser issue. And if it does, I hope that at least one of the lasers still work. All right, let's see. Bingo, one of the lasers still work. Excellent. So, as far as I can tell, this is a candidate for a replacement part. So, what we will do here is remove the front plate and then just like yeet, unscrew, and take the diode out, because that's the only piece that I need. Now, some of you guys might be asking, what in the world? Why did you buy a broken base station to salvage the parts instead of buying the laser diode by itself? Because 1, no one had the laser diode anymore, and 2, it would have costed basically the same amount as I paid for this, which is $65. So as I struggle to get this open, let me get my pry tool. Pop. Huh. So if you guys haven't seen the inside of one of these yet, well, here you go. And, you know the best part, we're gonna go deeper because we have to salvage the diode out of here. And actually, while I do that, I should probably heat up my hot glue gun, because, yeah. Thankfully, HTC used the same screw length for these screws. Thanks, HTC. You are wonderful. Here are the guts. This is the back side. Ooh. Actually, let me see which side needed replacing. This one, so this upper piece. Whoop, whoop. Easy, because, well, I did this before already as a diagnosing step. I took the working diode and swapped places with the bad one just to make sure it wasn't the driver that was broken. Thankfully, it was not, which is why I am doing this video now. Time to take apart the other base station, which should be as easy as before. All right, you guys, prepare to see some carnage, because it's going to be painful. Oh, and to those who have opened up these things before and have not used this method that I'm using, sorry if it's super like painful to watch. This was the only method that I know of without applying heat, because I don't have anything to apply heat with. Oh yeah, as a side note, this product is a class 1 laser product, which means it's okay to look at as long as you have the front cover on when it's powered on. Without the front cover, it instantly becomes a class 2 laser device. And it's super dangerous because like it can do eye damage. but it only matters if the thing's powered on. So if you're working on one of these base stations, do not power it on without first making sure the front plate is put on correctly. Because if you don't, and you end up looking into these lasers, your eyes will go boom. Anyway, now time to take the guts out again. Yay. This time it will be a lot more involved because the laser is on this side instead of up there, so I'll have to take it apart even further, which won't be a problem. It'll just take a little longer. Which means more video to cut down, yay! Easy. Since this one appears to never have been opened up, the tape, whatever it's called, is still on here. And the diode that I want to get out is this one right here, which is the one behind the ribbon cable, which should be not that hard to remove. We just gotta be super careful. And you guys watching at home, now is the time to cringe. Because what I'm about to do is very cringeworthy to many people, I know it for sure. But it's okay, because this is for parts and it's being used for parts. Now that that is up and out, I will need to remove the hot glue that is here, which is why I said I would need to ready my hot glue gun, because like, you know, it's spinning and a lot of things are vibrating in here, so it would make sense why they would have hot glue on the diode. If you remember from earlier, the diode was actually super easy to take out, which is a very good reason to put on hot glue to secure the diode in place so that it doesn't shake out. This is the working one that I want, right? Yeah, it is. Can't tell if that's the metal frame that I'm hitting or the hot glue. Done. All right, hot glue removed. Up and out, and into the base, and into the other base station you go. Easy. All right, and then plug it back in very carefully. And now we have one working base station. The next part is hot gluing them to the chassis so they don't fall out, obviously. Hot glue gun's taking a little bit to do, so while that does its thing, I'm just gonna put this back in haphazardly. I mean, it doesn't work, but like some of the parts I do need. Like the motors, in case the motors in my base stations fail. So I'm gonna just like put this together like that. Easy. And keep the screws as well, obviously. I'm just gonna chuck them in there. Easy. It's not like I'm gonna power this thing on anyway. Into the part stash you go. All right, hot glue gun is ready. So with that, let's hot glue this diode to the frame. Easy to do, and I'll need to do the other one as well. All right, we'll let that dry off, which will be super fast. So with that out of the way, they are not gonna go anywhere. Let's go ahead and plop this back into the base station housing. All right, screws are screwed in. Let's carefully put the front plate back on by matching the damage, and now for the fun part. You guys are going handheld, yay! This is exciting video. So I got the power cable set up already. Let's plop the base station here, and get the power cable and plug her in, and hope to God that the issue is fixed. Come on. Come on, baby. What? Wait, what? Uh-oh. Wait, why is that? Huh. Why is that? We have a problem on our hands. Oh, right, because I'm dumb, and Wait, am I dumb? Hold on. Oh, I accidentally pressed the volume button and ended the video. I think it wants the other diode plugged in, so let me go do that. Off camera, because like saving space. You know what, guys? I might have realized something. This is the parts base station. I might not have plugged in the connectors in all the way, but we'll find out. We'll find out. First, I gotta put this parts base station in its housing, screw it down because safety first, and then put the faceplate on, of course. I don't want to blind myself. Christ. Well, it's not turning on. Oh, maybe it's this cable that I put in wrong. It's not all the way in on the other side. Let's see if that's the problem. Nothing. No power. Oh yeah, it's definitely because I didn't plug it in right. Ugh, crisis averted. But we don't know if crisis has been averted yet. But I will screw in the screws anyway, just in case, because, like, you know, dumb mistakes like that do happen. So, this is the working base station. Let's hope and pray that I didn't break anything. And yes, I know this form of raising the base station is not very stable. I am aware. All right, power on. That's good. All right, let's see. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, come on. Please? Hell yeah, let's go. We are back up and running on this one. Let me set it to channel C. And then I'll set the other one to channel B. Perfect. Yay, we got working tracking now. All right, let's give it a try. Start up steamvr, grab the controllers. All right, room scale. Next, establish tracking, not visible. Well, they should be, because like they're in view. Oh, controller ready. Oh, maybe I should just move them a little bit. There we go, headset ready. Locate monitor, okay. This is just standard room setup, that's all. Put it in direction. Easy. Calibrate floor. Okay, gotta put both controllers on the floor. Then press. What? Oh, calibrate floor. All right, cool. Next, create some boundaries. Huh. Other base station isn't being seen. That's mildly concerning, but the good thing is it is doing the lights. So, that's interesting. Maybe I have to do some calibration. Hey, buddy, why aren't you tracking? Well, I guess the sync cable might come in use, so let me grab that. All right, this cable is gonna be tedious to run, but I'll probably find a way. Actually, no, maybe I should set this to B, set that one to A, and then I guess block this base station somehow. Hey, Evie, would you like to help me? Block this for me, thanks. That base station is set to A, so let's relaunch steamvr by turning on the controllers and giving it another whirl. Okay, cool. That one's tracking. Excellent. Let's rerun room setup. Create some boundaries. Awesome. All right. That base station is seen. That base station is seen. Except I have this EV blocking le base station. This one's set to B. Should probably connect them with the cable. Okay, what now? Let's try wireless mode. Oh, don't want to drop this base station. I almost did that. Ooh. Set that to B, and then set that to C. All right, let's rerun room setup again. Next. Awesome. All right, let's do advanced mode. This shouldn't be too hard to do, because this time, both base stations are on. So, here. Let's do here. And then let's do here. And then let's do around here. So I made not a rectangle, but you know, that's fine. Oh, that's really small. I should probably go redo that. Next. Excellent. But flip it. There we go. Next. Awesome. All right, both base stations are tracking. Yay! All right, let's not celebrate too soon. Let's open VR view, make it ultra wide. And then move the headset, put it like right here. Sorry, was not pointing the camera, put it like right here. All right, there it is. So, I should probably move the headset a little farther back, like right there. So in theory, this controller should be tracked by the other base station. It would be nice if you didn't turn off. So, I should probably go in VR for this. Let me put you guys in VR for this. All right, this is gonna be a little tricky to do. Mostly because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Come on, focus. Focus on the floor. There we go. All right. Oh, camera, don't do that. Don't switch to the ultra wide on me. Meanie. Lock focus and exposure. All right. So here's base station numero uno. It is tracking, cool. Let's go to base station numero dos. And it should also be tracking. Cool, it's also tracking. And I noticed that I'm not losing tracking on the headset. Epic, all right, project success. It was really easy. Wow, that is really yellow. Anyway, that was really easy to do. Super happy that I realized that I plugged the dang thing in wrong and gave myself a mini heart attack, but you know what? The repair has been complete. Thank you guys for coming along with the journey and experiencing that heart attack with me, probably. And I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, please click on one of these videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. For the last time, goodbye. No, not the last time. I'm probably going to make more videos after this one. Bye.